Welcome to RaiGurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about Numpy indexing in Python. So, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Before proceeding further, I will request you to watch my previous session on Numpy, on introduction of Numpy, and different other video. I will also mention URL in description tab so that it will be easy for you to refer that. So Numpy indexing is a very important concept when we are talking about Python Numpy programming language. So namely Python is a package for computations and homogeneous and dimensional array. In Numpy dimensions are called as axes. Why we'll need it and how the indexing work will see here. Whenever we are talking about Numpy, there is always one question arise in my mind. The answer to this question: we cannot perform operation on all the elements of two lists directly. We can perform or multiply two lists directly. We will have to implement it element wise. So how we'll do that? If we are multiplying the object directly, we'll get an error. So removing that error, we have to implement like this. So we have to use import functionality for numpy library to be imported here, and as we have discussed in previous session, we have to use as np. Now let's create two array and multiply them together. So just see, it's L1 equal to inside round bracket 1 3 4 comma 5 comma 6. Now we have 5 numbers. Let's do that for L2 equal to, the number is 3 6 9 12 15. That's it. If we want to print or convert this list into numpy array, how we'll do that? So here, if we are calling as an array equal to np dot array and the list which we have created. So this is for L1 and AR2 is for L2. Same way we are implementing here array and then L2. If we want to multiply with this together and print in a value, then AR multiplied by AR2. Let's run this and see the result. Now you can see it is directly multiplied with this. 3 1s are 1, 6 3s are 18, 9 4s are 36, 12 5s 60 and 15 6s are 90. So this is how it will look. Numpy package of Python has a great power of indexing in a different way. Whenever we are talking about indexing using index array, indexing can be done in Numpy by using an array as an index. In case of slice, a view or shallow copy of the array is returned, but in index array, a copy of the original array is returned. Numpy arrays can be indexed with other arrays or any other sequence with the exceptions of tuples. The last element is indexed by -1, second last by -2 and so on. So here we are going to discuss about arranging an array and sequence of integer from 10 to 1 with the steps of -2. So NP arrange, then the value which we are going to provide it here, 1 comma -2, and then we want to print this value. Let's say print AR. So I don't want to print any other value rather than giving this directly. Here we have made a mistake. Now let's run this. Again there is a mistake. Now you can see 10, 8, 6, 4 and 2. In this sequence we have got these numbers in the random order. We can also do that with the positive number with new array on the sequence indices. But let's move to the second part. So type of indexes in Python Numpy is a basic slicing and indexing, and second is having a difference of advanced indexing. So let's see how we'll do that for basic slicing and indexing and advanced indexing in further sessions. So that's all about Numpy indexing. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed this session, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.